Okay, neighbors, my sister and I are out today. We're doing a little bit of running around, getting some things at the dollar store, and thought that we'd take you along. Donna went into the convenience store for a minute. Let me show you the day that we're having. A little bit of snow coming down. It's kind of chilly out. Not too bad. It's like minus 11 or something like that. Cold enough, but not too bad. So anyway, yeah, thought we'd take you along. Heading to the dollar store, check out some Easter thingies and stuff. Heading into Dollarama Plus, because nothing's a dollar anymore. It even says plus on it now. We're heading in there, me and my sister. We got a couple of bits of shopping to do. Thought we'd vlog it, see what's in here. Donna says hello, but I can't flip the camera around. I'm gonna grab a cart because we're ambitious today. See what kind of Easter stuff they may have, even though I'm not buying it. Oh, that'd be nice, yeah. We gotta look for a milk pitcher, don't we, Donna? And glasses and all that fun stuff. Yeah, this is where I found the buckets before. We're on a mission to find stuff, but it's something that I bought like a year ago or more. Now I can't find it. Oh, here it is, right here. I found one, Donna. Donna's leaving me. I can't get it out of the thingy. Oh, there's one out. There you go. We found one. Yeah. Like, look how cute these are, Donna. Look at those new. Aren't they sweet looking? That's so pretty. That has, looks like peaches, pears. That looks like little pears or something on there. Lemons?
Or pears, yeah.
And then this one got like butterflies and tulips. That's so cute. You put like the little tea lights in it. That's so cute. I like these too with the tulips. Even though like there's mega snow right outside there, it's got some spring stuff inside. We can dream, can't we? Oh, Easter stuff. I remember when my boys were little, we would put the chocolate eggs inside, the mini chocolate eggs inside these, but in a few of them we'd put like a loony or a toonie and we hide them in the yard and or in the house, depending on the weather. And then they would find them, and then sometimes they would find the ones with the money in it. Oh my gosh. I love cute little things, hey? They had little ones. I don't have little ones running around. I remember when we were kids, Donna and Mom would get, you remember the egg cartons, but they were larger. They weren't 6, yeah.
We had a 6
Yeah. Yeah, these are 6. I remember getting those, Mom getting those for us. Or the Easter bunny. Who knows who it was. So cute. And Priscilla, our Aunt Donna, used to make a lot of chocolates with her, eh, Donna, remember?
Yes, we did. We did a lot of chocolate.
Yeah.
And the chocolate molds, and
Donna's got a sweet tooth. She wants to get some things for her room. For snacky poos. Reese's, I'm surprised she walked by without getting the Reese's. The Reese's, Donna.
I learned my lesson.
Yeah, that's true. We'll take a break from them for today.
We got Reese's marshmallows.
Ooh. They got some St. Patrick's Day things down here in the second, neighbors.
Rainbow.
Chocolate bars, little rabbits. Yeah, I'm gonna, in the month of March, I'm gonna be doing some Irish dishes. So stay tuned for that too. I'm gonna be doing a bit of vlogging. I'm gonna do a little bit of everything on this channel. I want to have some fun with it, and hopefully you guys will enjoy it as well. Look at the little beer skis on the socks. Aw, look at that. Baby's bib. My first St. Patrick's Day. It's promising. We might have found the buckets. Here they are right here. That's here they are right here. I had to redo it again because I wasn't put. I'm gonna take one of each.
One of each?
Yeah.
Color?
Yeah. Because I need two of them anyway. Should I get two purple instead, or two beige? What do you think? Or should I get one of each? It's up to you. What do you think?
Purple is beautiful.
Let's do the purple then.
Not really big on the beige.
Yeah, we got enough beige. I got tired of it. We had a lot of beige over the years in our house. You know, I want to change it on up. Nothing wrong with beige, but still. Okay.
There.
I'm happy now. I'm excited.
You're looking for a specific type, aren't you?
Yeah, and I want one for the window. I have a couple of those ones. It's away from the Easter stuff, but my gosh, like, look at this. Is this not so cute? Look at this. This is what you call fun. More Easter stuff. Look at a little, what do you leave a carrot out for the Easter bunny now? Oh, cool. Little paper plates. Easter bunny is getting on up there. Oh, look at the little molds.
Oh, look at that.
They're like only $3. That's pretty good. Like to do like chocolates. You could do your own Reese's Pieces, people. Look at the little egg holders.
Oh my God, that's cute.
That is cute. Little boxes you can put like candies in, or mini cupcakes. Oh, look at these guys. Except for, you know what? I would try to eat those if I was a kid. And they're not marshmallow. They're decoration. Knowing me, I would have put that in my mouth. Oh my, isn't that cute? Andrew and I used to do ceramics. I miss that. We used to do ceramics. Yeah. And a little bowl there. This is made of felt. Happy Easter. Well, they got a lot in, don't they? This would be good, a cute little thing even to put like the little toys in.
Or when they collected their eggs.
Yeah, or when they're collecting their eggs. I was thinking about putting cat toys in it or doggy toys, but I guess it's for children collecting their eggs.
You can buy it.
Oh yeah, yeah. Look at this guy. Kind of goofy looking little guy. Oh, there's even more stuff down here. And all the little kites and stuff. Remember, we used to always get a kite. I can never fly the silly thing though. And my brother John and my brother Allison, they would always get like the smaller, remember the airplane things? Yeah. They used to be able to fly those pretty
They're
good.
just plastic eggs where you can put stuff into them.
Look at this guy. They're cute. These guys look kind of goofy. These guys look kind of happy. Oh, that one looks like a ladybug. Or is that supposed to be a dog? Oh, and you paint these. These are crafts. Oh, skipping rope. Donna used to be able to do double dutch like nobody's business. That's true. I tried to jump in and I just fall. Donna would just go like all freaking morning doing double dutch. Remember that, Donna?
Yes,
Oh, look at that little dinosaur bubble. They're cute. My sport might have been blowing bubbles.
yeah.
It certainly wasn't. And we used to play elastics too.
Oh, elastics. I love that.
Donna used to be good at that too. Anyway, the fun part is over. So you want to pick out some chippies?
I was going to get Miss Vicky's.
Yeah, do they don't have them here?
No.
Oh, we'll get them at the Freshco.
Yeah.
Yeah, do you anything down here you want to take a
No.
peek at? Peppermints or anything?
No.
I'm gonna get a couple of pairs of glasses. Okay, so I just thought I'd do a little vlogging of our Dollarama Plus here. And yeah, we're gonna do a little bit of shopping. Oh my goodness, all the cute Easter things. And anyways, thank you for being here. Please like, share, and subscribe.